This is how you wind a bobbin on the Hello Kitty sewing machine. Put the spool of thread on this thread spool. Take an empty bobbin and put the thread in the bobbin from the inside out. And mount the bobbin on the bobbin spool. Then take the thread and pull it through the two tension rods, like that. Pull out the clutch on the sewing machine. Push the bobbin to the right. And press the pedal and wind the bobbin. After a few winds, you can clip out the top thread, like that, and then finish winding the bobbin. Once you have a full bobbin, you just cut the thread and remove the bobbin from the spool. Don't forget to put the clutch back in.